have a defense. Come to me.
No way. Holy shit.
Yeah. Where are you? Are you next to the leaper?
I'm bottom floor, falling towards the tower now. I'm right.
I have to wait for the arc, bro.
Yeah. I got half health left. Dude, I was just collecting plants. Look, you know agave at the riverbed?
Yeah, bro. You know what the problem
And I got
is?
sandwich.
You shot
Yo,
at
we got
me.
the same skin. No, I didn't. No, I didn't.